This lady has a lot of patience.
Mike.
When your boss comes to your home,
Okay, then she needs her outfit. And don't turn this chair around on me. For your paycheck, and if you even come for that, I would be very scared. You come in here and get your check, and you don't come near me, you get your check, you leave. You're not working there anymore, you're fired.
these guys claim to be law enforcement.
That's in the driveway. Should I call for backup or you want me to? If you guys have Raw inside, please open the door. Hello, how you guys doing? If you have Raw inside, please open the door. I am law enforcement. If you guys don't, I'm going to have another couple of units come up to this address, so please just let them out now. If not, we can make this a whole other situation. Hello, I'm looking for my brother. Hey, is he still at the same address? He's still at 6 I'm looking for my brother. Is showing him here? I'm just making sure before I call back up to come to this house.
When the thief notices the camera, someone's having a rough day. Caught stealing mail. This man tried to open their door. Watch out for your doggy door. This guy arrived at 5 a.m., rang the bell and got spooked and jumped. Not every day you catch a police chase on camera. Bootleg maintenance man walks into home.
Maintenance. Oh.
This guy walks into a home in New York. They tried to spray the camera. Relaxing at 1 a.m.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry. I'm I got a lot going on. I just felt like just trying to relax my mind.
Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Mhm.
Creepy guy peeping in the house.
Hello, sir. I'm the messenger. Spit it out. I'm the messenger.
Why are you coming to my house?
Because I came to say hi.
I don't know who you are.
No, I've never seen you in my life before. Have I
who
seen
you are,
you,
bro? Why are you hands in your pocket?
Sorry, I'm just freezing and my hand is on here.
Alright, have a good night.
You too.
Okay?
But
I
I
don't
just
know
wanted
who
to
you
live
are.
the dream. That was
Okay,
just
I don't know who you are.
I'm gonna later.
The neighbor drove on their lawn.